tired of all this rain. I hope the wizard can make it stop. Wizard!
You wanted to see me, Your Majesty?
Yes, I'd like you to do something about this weather. I'd really like to have a nice sunny day tomorrow.
Oh, I'll try, but I'm not sure I can do it.
Oh, your magic is usually very good. What's the matter with you?
Well, I'll give it my best shot, but you see, I've caught this, choo!
Oh, where did he go? He didn't even tell me what it was that he caught. Ah, a spider! Yuck! Get away from me!
It's me, the wizard, Your Majesty. I'm not really a spider.
Oh, you sure look like a spider. Ugh! Don't get too close. I really don't like spiders. Why did you turn into one?
Well, it wasn't because I wanted to. I caught a cold and it makes me sneeze. And that makes my magic do silly things like turn me into animals.
Well, change yourself back. This spider's giving me the heebie-jeebies. Ugh.
I'll try, but you see, choo!
Ugh, now where did that wizard go? Ah, a bear!
It's just me, the wizard, Your Majesty.
Oh, good. I thought I was going to be a bear snack. Ugh. I really wish you wouldn't keep doing that.
You and me both, Your Majesty. Turning into animals is very tiring. Shoo!
Oh, now where is that silly wizard? Oh, look, a pig! I love pigs. They're so much fun to chase. Here, piggy, piggy.
Your Majesty, stop! It's me, the wizard.
Oh my, I'm terribly sorry. I don't know what came over me. I really like pigs. Anyway, why don't you try turning back into your usual wizard self?
Let me think of some magic words. Razzle, dazzle, frazzle, pop. Make this silly switching stop.
Wizard, it's you!
Yes, I'm back to my old self and it feels great.
Oh, wonderful! Now, about making the rain go away.
Sorry, Your Majesty. I can only do 3 magic things a day. And I've already changed into a spider, bear, and a pig today. No more magic for me.
Ugh, that's too bad. Maybe you should get some rest for tomorrow.
Thanks, Your Majesty. But I think you should get some rest too. You're looking a little bit pale.
I am? Oh, I do feel a bit strange. Maybe he's right and I should... Achoo! What? What on earth? Oh dear, I'm a duck! Well, at least now I can enjoy the rain. Ducks love rain.